Okay, we are on the last row and we start with a raising loop and a single crochet into the same single crochet where we made the connection, the first one from the previous row. One more single crochet into the arch, picot from 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, and in order to make it we make connection here, not into the basement like usually picot is done. No, we make it into the first loop. We connect one more loop for symmetry and we make single crochet into the next arch. After that we make double crochet into the arch of 6 loops, picot of 3 loops, one loop, another one double crochet into the same arch, picot, the same, one loop, another one double crochet into the same arch, picot, one loop, and one more double crochet into the same arch. This way we have 4 double crochet and 3 picot in between them. Next arch, 1 single crochet, picot of 3 loops, one loop, single crochet into the next arch, then we make one more single crochet into the next single crochet after the arch directly. Here we have to make one more picot, one loop. We have to skip 1 single crochet and make, starting from here, we make 9 single crochet. 1, we count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, we came to the corner and I will show you how we can do the corner. So we are at the corner of 3 arches and we have to make single crochet into the arch, picot, one loop, single crochet into the next arch, picot, one loop, single crochet into the same arch in the middle one, picot, one loop, and single crochet into the third arch. From here we have to count from the next single crochet 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in here we have left 2 single crochet before the arch, so we need to make picot here, one loop, and we have to connect to the next second single crochet before the arch. And we continue the same as we did here, so we need to make connection to the arch with single crochet, picot, single crochet into the next one, and then we have to make 4 double crochet. In between them will be 3 picot, single crochet into the 4th arch, picot, single crochet into the 5th arch, 1 more single crochet here, and picot, and starting from here there will be 9 single crochet.